Welcome back to Planting Alabama. Today we're going to be making organic fertilizer with 3 simple ingredients, most of which you probably already have on hand. The first ingredient, Epsom salt. Epsom salt helps with your flowering and your blooming for your plants. Next we have eggshells. Eggshells help with the calcium deficiency in your plants, so that way you don't have blossom end rot. Lastly, we have discarded bones. Any type will do, so don't worry. The first thing we're going to do to make this fertilizer happen is set our oven temperature to the lowest possible temperature that your oven may have. My oven is 170. You're going to place your eggshells and your discarded bones in the oven to dehydrate. That's the first step to making this fertilizer happen. So this process takes about 2 to 3 hours. We'll see you back then. It's been 3 hours, so let's check on our eggshells and discarded bones. Okay, now that these are dry, you're going to take your discarded bones and put them in a brown paper bag because we're going to pre-crush these before we blend them up. I've got my bones pre-crushed. Now I'm going to go ahead and get them blended up and get my eggshells blended up as well. And when I'm done, I'll come back and show you what I got and show you the final process. Got it all blended up. Got about 2 cups of bones, 2 cups of eggshells. So to that, we're going to be adding 2 cups of your Epsom salt. We'll get it all blended up and I'll show you exactly what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, we've got it all blended up. And here is the finished product. Now guys, if you're concerned with using animal byproduct, you can substitute your bones with soybean meal. The NPK is about the same. I think you get about a 722. And also guys, when using this fertilizer, if you're concerned with the pH in your soil, you can add some regular garden lime. You'll use 1 cup of garden lime to 2 cups of this fertilizer, and that will help balance your pH in your soil. This is organic, but still be careful when using fertilizer on small plants and vegetables. And so guys, if you like this video on how to make organic fertilizer, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. God bless.